Hello guys, this is Vysh. So August 17, 2023. So today what happened in history? So we'll discuss this, and before this we had conducted a poll on our YouTube channel today, and in the community tab, okay, videos, playlist, like that community tab is there. There we asked you, like, in case we are providing you Vysh some goodies or gifts, which one would you like? Okay, Vysh IAS hoodies, or Vysh IAS bags, or Vysh IAS notebooks. Okay, to our test series student we are planning to give away all these things, and for others also at a maybe a nominal price it will be available on our website. So this thing we just wanted to know your opinion. So most of you would have voted for all the above, but still in the comment section I want you to pick one. Okay, you can vote all the above, but in the comment section tell which one is your favorite. Is it a hoodie, is it a bag, or is it a this thing? Just to make the interaction going on, and also we would love to know what you like as a brand product of Vysh IAS. Okay, so please participate in that. I will keep reminding you this in the upcoming things also, upcoming videos also, and we will announce officially like how we are planning to give and who all will get it for like free, or for whether any competition will be there, or whether it's paid. That everything we will announce on October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. We will announce it. Okay, so now today's history's importance. You see two countries here. One is Gabon and one is Indonesia. So both, if you see, are like countries through which the equator passes. Okay, the equator passes, 13 countries are there, and both these countries have their Independence Day today. Okay, August 17th is the Independence Day of Gabon, which is a West African country, you can tell. And this year prelims 2023, there was a question on this area, Congo and the Gabon area, and Cameroon, which is just next to that. So it's very important. Okay, so equator passes, that 13 countries you can study from here, and we'll study more such things. Other than that, this is global context, today's importance. Indian context, a very important thing, that is the Radcliffe line. The Radcliffe line was drawn to divide India into three parts, or you actually, it is two parts, India and Pakistan, but it became three parts because there is a West Pakistan and an East Pakistan. Okay, so you divided Punjab also, you divided this also, West Bengal also, meaning Bengal also. So that is why we have a West Bengal and an East Bengal. It was East Pakistan. Then after 1971 war, it became, you can tell, the Bangladesh. Okay, then now we can't tell, even the other West Pakistan area, the way they are behaving, they also may not remain a country if this is the thing. Okay, in the next 10 years you will see even drastic changes happening to the map of Pakistan. Okay, so this is the Radcliffe line. So three important things which happened today. So that again we will summarize. Indonesian Independence Day, which they also call Hari Kemerdekaan Republik Indonesia, is celebrated annually on August 17th, and they got independence from the Netherlands. Okay, the Dutch rule. Like India got independence from British, Gabon would have got from French. These people got it from the Netherlands or the Dutch. Okay, so they were under Dutch colonial rule till 1945, after which the Sukarno, the person, became the president after 4 years, 49 to 67. He became the first president of Indonesia. Then 47, as I told, the Radcliffe line was declared. So it's a boundary between India and Pakistan, and it's named after Sir Cyril Radcliffe, who was commissioned to equally or equitably divide 450,000 square kilometer of territory, which had 88 million population that time. So this was a division which he did. Okay, and it spread from Run of Kutch in Gujarat to the international border in Jammu and Kashmir, dividing India and Pakistan into two countries. Okay, and in the eastern side also what happened, I showed you in the map already. So West Pakistan, East Pakistan and India. And then 1960, August 17, the Gabon country, West African country, got independence from the French. So these are the three important things which happened, or the importance I felt about August 17 in perspective of UPSC or any other competitive exams which you are giving. Now people have been asking, like, do you have current affair packs? Okay, so current affair monthly magazine concept is what everybody gives. We also have monthly one PDF will be there, but that will contain in the form of question and answer, meaning that if some news happened, like Chandrayaan 3 news happened, based on that we will make a question, a prelims question, and then the answer key, then the explanation, which is the notes for you. So instead of like others giving just the notes and you don't know how the question may come, we are already making it into a question and giving you. Okay, all the topics which happened in suppose this August month will be there in the August 2023 PDF. So 100 questions will be there in around 70-80 pages. It will get covered, the 100 questions and explanation. After that, extra 80 to 100 pages of notes also will be there of other important items which is happened in that same month, because the entire 30 days thing, if you convert, it will be more than 100 MCQs. So we wanted to maintain the MCQ count at 100, but the remaining news items in the form of notes, like how other coaching classes give, that way it is there. So a total 100 to 200 pages notes or a magazine per month PDF, soft copy PDF is there. So that in different packs we have organized so that you can start enrolling. And through WhatsApp I announced it 2 days back, and in 2 days it's a huge number of enrollments came. So we have customized it this time into very like multiple packs, okay, individual and combo, because we saw that many people wanted different combinations. Okay, like example, the most important one which everyone will want is the 2023 to 24, because this 12 months starting from this last June, July, August, like that till next prelims date, that 12 months is the mandatory one. So this will be there in pack 1, okay, 12 months, which will have, as I told, 1200 MCQs, because 100 MCQ per PDF, so 12 months 1200 MCQ. And then it will have that notes also, each having 100-page notes, means obviously it will cross 1000-page notes in the overall 12 months. So this is pack 1, same like this 12 months up to last 5 years, meaning pack 2 will be 1 year before this, 22 June to 23 May. Pack 3 will be 21 June to 22 May. Pack 4 will be 20 June to 21 May. And 2019 June to 20 May, meaning we have kept the cycle as June to May. Instead of January to December cycle, we have put it June to May, because UPSC cycle is like that. We have to follow the UPSC prelim cycle. That is how you have to prepare. 1 year back or 2 year back, 3 year back, like that, how much you want. And the bestseller I would say as of now is the first one only, the first, because now that is what everybody wants. And most of our WhatsApp contacts are students who are already enrolled with us till last year. So they have all the PDFs till now. So that is why they are buying this one. But still, if you are new to Vysh IAS, and as per the trend, you know, questions are coming 3 years old, 5 years old, no? So you can choose. So this individual packs also you can buy, but I know many people want a combination of 1 and 2, 2 and 4, like that. So that is why we put combo packs also. So combo 3 types of packs are there. One is full 5 years, which I showed you, that individual 5 packs together. So this will be more affordable for you if you calculate the price and see what you have given. And then the pack 2, which is 3 years, okay, which is again important, because last 3 years news items you will get in this. Then we have the 2 years one, meaning this year which is going to happen, and this immediate year which just happened, okay, 1 year back and 1 year front, 2 years exactly. So this is actually the bestseller also here. And we saw that some people who are not part of Vysh IAS bought the 3 year pack also. 5 years is up to your choice, we won't force it on you, but still it will be a good knowledge base for you if you are giving any kind of exam, okay, because every year or many things are repeating. If you see Afghanistan rule since last many years, it is in news, or like Brexit, which is UK's thing, which is happening last 5-6 years in news. So if you know the history properly, it will be good for you. So you can choose this, you can come and WhatsApp me and you can select this, okay. In WhatsApp we'll tell you how to make the payment, and you can get this in a schedule. You will get in the first email what are the like monthly dates on which you will get each test PDF, and then as on that day exactly in your email the PDF will come. You just have to download it and read it, or if you want you can print it and read it. That is your choice, okay. So these announcements again in the upcoming next few days I'll keep telling, so that you know that, okay. And this image also I'll put in my WhatsApp status and Instagram, so you can look the price and then come and contact me, okay. So this is it, today's video. I'll come up with the next episode. Thank you and have a nice day.